Want to unbox?
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Vicky. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are all doing great. So if you are new here, you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you're going to be notified each time we upload a new video. So if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you. Keep supporting the ministry till we get to our permanent site. So guys, we have a new kitchen upgrade. Yeah, so it's something I've always wanted in my kitchen. The other one I had is still good, but I really wanted this one. The handle has a little problem, so I had to look for another blender. And guess what? I got the most popular and most famous brand. Yes, it's Ninja Blender. Finally, so this is the blender. I don't know if this is too far away. So this is the blender. It's for Media Markt. So I'm trying to adjust the camera. Yeah, where's the knife? Oh, choo. So guys, join me. Let's unbox together. How do we cut this? I don't know if I should cut or just remove the scotch from the sides. Cut. The knife he hit. So I'm just going to cut with my little knife. Let me not cut and go and cut some on the side. I wouldn't find this funny at all. Okay. So I'm done. La la la. Man, it's good. So we have to first of all take out this protective cover, and this is, let's see what is inside. Okay, it's a handbook. You have to go through it, and I think it came with some recipes. Okay, this is really good. The handbook has some recipes inside, so we are going to be exploring some of the recipes found here. Everything is explained. This is just like a, how do they call that Belgian company? Hello Fresh, that when they come. Okay, this is another part. Okay, it's well protected, guys. So guys, filming during holidays is not the best, as you have these little humans hanging around. They want to see what mama is doing. Why is the camera like this one? So guys, this is one part. It came nicely sealed. So wow, look at that. So it says it's 2-in-1 blender. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so amazing. Just what I wanted. I needed, guys. Wow. And you see, it's not like the regular blender. Wow. Duana Ajebo level. So this is how it looked like. I like the other blender had just two, I don't know, 2 blades. So this one has 3. Just showing you how solid this one is. Yeah, not even one. So this is the other one that I had. Is this mark the file? Don't know if you can see it. It's also a very good blender, but I don't know what happened. This part came out, so I needed another one. And the Ninja blender is bigger than this one. This is also a very good brand because I've had this for more than 3 years. Yeah, I've had this for 5 years. Yeah, 5 years or thereabout. So it's also a very good brand, but it's a good brand but less pricey than the Ninja blender, but it's very good and long lasting. Okay guys, let's continue. One thing I really like about this is that it came with a handbook. This is the handbook, so you have to go through it to know how to use it. And here I have recipes, and we are going to be exploring some of these recipes together. And this is the other part, because here it says it's 2-in-1. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it really well. 2-in-1 Ninja. So this is one part, guys, and this is the second part for shakes. You can do your smoothies with these ones, your milkshakes. Oh, look at that. So you just open it like this. Voila. And after having your milkshake, you can blend and you can use this same container in consuming your milkshake. You just have to open and voila, you can just savor everything. So guys, this is really good. I love the product, and as you stay here, we are going to be cooking together, and you are going to be seeing some of the amazing recipes that we will produce with our magic blender. So these are the products. They are really good kitchen must-haves. So I wanted it, but I was like, how do I buy blender when my almighty Tefal is still working really nice? So after the handle got broken, I just said, okay, this was the right time. And hubby got it as a surprise. I was at work, so I came back. He said, got something nice for me, something that I wanted, that I'm going to love it. I was not at home, so I was like, what could this be? I came back, I made a blender, and I was so happy because it's something I had wanted, something I actually needed for the kitchen. So guys, if you've watched this video up to this extent, thank you so much for watching. If you've watched up to now, it means you're liking our content. Why not subscribe, like, share the video, and leave your thoughts about the video in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye, and see you in our next video. Bye.